Hey, it's Colin with YardGuard. Today we're going to show you how to turn on your sprinklers. First, we're going to find our control box. We're going to go inside here and change it from off back to auto. Next, we're going to find our supply lines here, and we're going to shut a couple of valves to get you going for the season. So you're going to want to find these 0 to 45 and put them right in line with the pipe like that. And then you're going to take these, get a flathead, and just turn these to shut. Same thing right here, open to shut. Don't worry about these things, they don't actually do anything. And then usually you have a spigot here and you can just turn this thing off. Now, if your system has an outdoor turn on, we're going to go ahead and make sure that this hex right here is nice and snug. And then we're going to go ahead and turn the water on. So you want to turn on nice and quick. So you see how that's set properly? If you have water pouring down this, just make sure you turn it back off and then turn on nice and quick so it sets right. If your water turn on's in your crawl space or utility closet, keep watching and we'll show you how to turn it on. Now that we've shut our valves outside, we're going to come down to our crawl space and find this water line coming into your house. So from here, we're going to follow this. These are normally white or black. You're going to be coming along, you're going to find this drain valve right here. You're going to want to ensure this is in the off position. If this is in the on position, you're going to have a lot of water in your crawl space here in a minute, so you just want to make sure this is definitely off. From here, you're going to follow this water line back around to the quarter turn valve. Now that we've shut our drain valve, we're going to follow the pipe back over to here and we're going to see this is still turned off. We're going to turn this on, and when you do this, you want to turn it on fairly quick. If you let it out slow, it doesn't seat some of the valves outside. So when you do it, it's going to be off and you're going to push it on nice and fast. Now that your sprinklers are turned on, you can call YardGuard to have a great lawn, or you can call the other guy.